Have you noticed that things on Facebook are changing? Well, they definitely are. Hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. In this video, I'm gonna lay it out for you. There are 15 very important changes that are happening on Facebook that if you have a Facebook group or you're interested in leveraging or building a Facebook group to help you build a business online, then you need to take note of these changes as they can have a very large impact on Facebook as a whole for you and on your bottom line in your business. Number one, groups going forward are going to be the focus of Facebook. So that's a huge positive. If you're not currently building a Facebook group and leveraging it for your business, you may want to seriously consider it because that's the focus that Facebook is really moving towards, away from individual posts on people's timelines to really focusing on building up communities within Facebook. Number two, the admins of a group are held responsible for all group activity. If content in your group goes against the terms of service of Facebook, the admins are actually at risk to lose their personal profile, their business pages, and their group. So if you are an admin of a group, you really need to take it seriously to monitor that group, make sure that everyone's following the rules and that they're playing nice. Number three, negative feedback from posts will actually reflect poorly on the admin team of a group. So negative feedback, what is that to Facebook? That's actually if someone reacts with an angry face or a sad face on a post, or if they're getting member reported content, or a number of people block you from the group. This will suppress the organic reach of the posts from that group. So what are some ways that you can work with this? Well, number one is to leverage post approval to really prevent negative feedback. Require the admins to approve people's posts ahead of time. If you do that, you can make sure that people are posting positive, good things that aren't going to get a bunch of sad faces or angry faces, but that really build up a happy user experience within your community. And number two, leverage questions. Don't just let anyone go join your group. Leverage questions to join your group for new member requests to verify that people are really going to be good citizens of the group and follow the rules before you allow them into the group. Number four, contests, giveaways, free downloads, all of those things are being suppressed by Facebook. Facebook is really focusing on meaningful interactions in the communities and just on Facebook as a whole. And they feel that these sorts of things don't qualify as meaningful interactions. So you're going to have to use more creative language for these posts. If you use language like free giveaways, contests, free downloads, that sort of stuff will actually get those posts sort of flagged by Facebook in the algorithm, and those will be suppressed down by the algorithm so that they don't get the organic reach that you need. Number five, this is interesting. When members leave a group, they will have a choice to take all of their content out of the group, and this includes really active members and active admins. So keep this in mind. If you have other people who are really good contributors of your group, they have the power to take away all the content they've put into that group if they choose to leave the group. Number six, do not tell people how to react to a post. Telling people to love this post, to comment below, to share this, whatever, it's considered engagement bait, and the post can actually be suppressed. Comment, vote, react, share, tag, all of those words are flagged by the algorithm, considered engagement bait, and can get that post really suppressed by the algorithm. So it decreases your organic reach, how many people Facebook will show that post to. Number seven, sales or direct promotional posts. Things are just directly selling something. It should be less than 20% of the entire post for the group. Now they say they want meaningful interaction and they do not find, announcing sales and discounts and that sort of stuff. They don't think that that's meaningful interaction, which it's not. If you follow any of our training or any good marketer trainer, they're going to tell you the same thing. A 20% rule tops is the most that you would ever want to do for something that's a direct promotion type post. It's a good rule to follow in any of your online marketing. Number eight, if you want to leverage a takeover collaboration with your group, coordinating with someone else in your space, some other leader, someone that you would be mutually beneficial to get in front of each other's audiences, and you want to give them access to your group where they can promote and talk and give value, that's great. It's a great strategy to use. However, the word takeover is actually being suppressed. Facebook doesn't like it, so you're going to have to be creative on how you promote that takeover. So guest collaborator, guest trainer, guest teacher, something like that would be a better way to phrase a takeover, which you would traditionally say takeover for. Number nine is to limit the number of admins in the group. You might not have thought about this, but really Facebook is looking for a group to have 2 or 3 trusted people that are the administrators of the group. They don't want to see it very big. You want people who are taking it serious and are going to help you really manage that group. Number 10 is to create group rules within Facebook in the actual rule section, not just pinning it in the announcements or in the about section for the group. Remember, admins are responsible for everyone playing nice in the group, and you as the admin, you're going to pay the price if people don't. So you need to really leverage that rules section, put it where it needs to be. Plus, I've actually seen this as an administrator of a group, is that when you're deleting someone's posts, you can actually tell them that they're not following the rules when you're deleting that post. And if you've put the rules in the right place, they're going to have the link. They'll be able to access that to see what those rules are. Number 11, link your group to your business page. They are developing new features for groups that only are going to work for pages that have groups. So there's more features that are going to be coming out around this. So make sure you have your group attached to your business page. Number 12, work to start true conversations in the group and earn the conversation starter badge. This makes Facebook happy. Anytime you can make Facebook happy, that is good. You're building a little goodwill with Facebook, which is going to give you a little cushion if anything happens down the road. You want to make Facebook happy. So earn that conversation starter badge and really get some good, meaningful engagements going back and forth in your community. Number 13, going live is no longer going to be favored in the algorithm. So if you've gone live in your groups a lot to really grow your organic reach, get your posts out there, it's no longer going to help you do this. So don't feel the need to go live in your group. Now, if you haven't been going live in your group, don't worry about it. Don't feel that pressure anymore. It's no longer hurting you. Number 14, now links are still going to hurt your post. If you put a link directly in a post within your group, it does negatively affect your post. It will be suppressed more in the algorithm. But now they're getting really specific about it. So they're going to be more scientific. The links in your post can flag a click gap signal. What is a click gap signal? It's Facebook measuring the inbound and outbound link patterns of a site that you are linking out to from Facebook. So whatever link you have in that space, they're going to actually measure all of the traffic coming and going on that site. Now, Facebook will reduce the reach of a post, showing it to fewer people, if the number of clicks from Facebook to that site is higher than it is from other places in the internet. So basically, Facebook will suppress a post or shut down your account if more people are going to your website from Facebook than from organic Google searches or other places, because for some reason they see that as a clue that it is actually clickbait, and they definitely don't want that within Facebook. Number 15, groups deemed harmful will be shut down. Groups deemed harmful will be shut down. So bots are handling this, not real people. Now, I hope that none of you are actually trying to create harmful groups that, hurt people, but you may get inadvertently affected by this because it's bots that are doing it, not people who really think and understand what's going on in a group. So if they detect content that might violate the terms of service, they're going to just boom, they're going to take away that group. So make sure that you read and understand their terms of service, and then really monitor and be a good moderator of your groups. So the big takeaway that you should have from all of this, all of these are really good things that you need to understand so you can leverage them to successfully build your groups and earn money from Facebook groups, but you need to take this away. I want to drill this home to you, okay? Facebook is not yours. You do not own your Facebook page. You do not own your Facebook group. You do not own your Facebook profile. You do not own it. So you have to understand they can change whatever they want at any point in time. They can shut you down. They can do whatever. And Facebook is one that doesn't ever really explain things well. So if you wake up one morning and your profile is gone, your group is gone, your business page is gone, your ads account is gone, you're not really going to understand why. It's just poof, going to be gone. And you got to deal with it because you don't own it. So you can leverage Facebook to build an engaged community, but don't keep them on Facebook because you don't own that. Move them on into an email list. Move them on over to your website so that you can send them somewhere where you actually own that platform, that it's a safer place for you to be. So yes, leverage Facebook. It is a powerful platform, but understand, warning, you don't own it. Get them on your email list. Get them sent over to your website. Get them somewhere that you own and is a bit safer. Now, if you want some more help, some amazing training to help you put this whole online business thing together, A to Z, really learn how to build an audience, engage with that audience, and to sell, make money with that audience, then you want to click the link, top link in the description, get access to some amazing training that we put together for you. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. This channel, this video, all of this is for you to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, first video you're seeing of us, howdy, pleasure to meet you. Click subscribe and then the bell button for notifications so that we can help you. We can give you more help to create that time freedom. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. If you are sticking around on YouTube, watch this video next. It'll serve you well, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.